Hey y'all, this is Tammy at All About Living, and I am out of taco seasoning, and I want to make fry bread with tacos tonight. Okay guys, you know, if you've been following us any length of time and you watch the book reviews, I have this book called The Prepper's Cookbook, and I got this thing, I don't know, right when it came out, so maybe 2013, 14, I don't have my glasses so I can't read the copyright. But anyway, it's still available on Amazon, and it has really neat little recipes in here. It's mainly about prepping, but then it goes into detail on some of the things you can do with your pantry supplies that you've put away. It has, again, I'm not wearing no glasses, but it has like 5 spice Chinese. It has the Tex-Mex. It tells you how to make your own chili powder. And all these things without all that stuff that when you buy those mixes has all that stuff you can't pronounce. So I just follow this little recipe right to the T. Perfect taco sauce every time. First thing up, chili powder. We're going to need a half a cup of chili powder. And y'all can tell I'm not brand friendly. It's whoever's on sale, whoever's on clearance, wherever I got to get it. Alright. Half a cup of chili powder. 1/4 of a cup of paprika. Yeah. That's a little much. Let's back that off. I am going to put it back. I'm going to put it right back in there. Of course, it's not an exact science. I mean, if you mess up, big deal. Alright. Cumin, we need 1 tablespoon. And that's probably about all I got of that. Nope, I got about a teaspoon left. How about that? All right. Okay. And then you can adjust after you make it. And, you know, if you want more garlic in it, hey, put some more garlic. If you want some more chili powder in it, put some more chili powder. It's yours after you make it the first time. Alright, garlic. 1½ teaspoons. Like that. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Alright, now for this one, I have onion powder, but I don't have any parsley. So, I have this California onion blend, which has parsley in it. So, the recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of onion powder, but since it has parsley in it, I'm just going to put 3 teaspoons of this mix. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I need 2 teaspoons of oregano. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Yeah, I usually only use kosher salt. There we go. If you don't want to use salt, don't put it in there. It's not absolutely necessary. The salt will, though, keep it from clumping up on you. And handy dandy treat for you. See these lids that come on your Parmesan cheese? They fit on top of a mason jar. So you just screw that little bad boy right on, right down top. Now you can use the sprinkle side or the spoon side. All you gotta do now is shake your mix. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. That's it. You have made taco seasoning without ingredients that you can't pronounce. How about that? Yep. We're all done. Now I'm ready to season my taco meat. How about that?